How to set back tap or double tap to open or close vehicle motion cues car signals on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, you want to locate and tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, we go down and then tap on touch. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on back tap. Next, we tap on double tap, or you can choose triple tap if you would like to use triple tap. After that, once you're in here, you go down to the accessibility section, and then we select vehicle motion cues. These features can help you prevent car sickness. So here, to use it, just double tap at the back to turn it on. Once it is on, in the dynamic island, you can see there is a small icon to indicate that we have now turned on car sickness. And once you turn it on, there are 8 dots on the screen for on each side. The dots will kind of move as you move in motion with the car. So here, you can see when I move my phone around, the dots will tend to move to help your eye move in move in tandems with the motion of the car. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. To turn it off, you can just simply double tap again to turn off vehicle motion cues. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.